Student, today we will start multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000 etc. Rules are there, so I am telling one by one. Rule number 1. First I am writing multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000 etc. Rule 1. Rule 1 on multiplying a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. You see carefully. On multiplying a decimal by 10, then the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. You must to remember these things. So I am taking some example. You see carefully. 67.49 multiply 10. If we will multiply by 10, if any number, decimal number, then it will be shift from the right side, okay, after one digit, one place, okay, shifted to the right by one place, okay, one place के बाद right side it will be shifted, okay. So 674.9 we will write, okay. After 4 we will put the decimal. For example, let us take some more example. You see, after it will be also shifted after one digit, okay. So it is shifted right side by one place. One place means after 2 we will put the decimal. So I am writing number first, 24,34293. So after 2 we will put the decimal. I am taking one more last example, 1.23, okay, multiply 10. So after 2 it will be shifted 2.3 it will be. I hope you understood rule number 1. I am telling you rule number 2. You see carefully. Rule number 2 is on multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right side by 2 places, okay students. So I am taking some example. You see carefully. So 4.923 multiply 100. Here on multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point, this decimal point is shifted to the right by 2 places, okay. It means 492. This decimal shifted after 2 places because here 20, okay. So 92.3 it will be. If you are not understood, then I am taking some more example. You see, I am multiplying by 100. So it will be also means is this decimal point will be shifted from the right side after 2 places. After 2 places means after 2, okay. So 2342.9, okay students. I am taking one last example, 1.248 multiply 100, okay. So you see, again I am writing after 2 places from the right side. Sorry, decimal point is shifted to the right side by 2 places, to the right side, okay. So 1 2 means 24.8 we will put. This is clear students. Last one I am telling you. You see carefully. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is on multiplying a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right side by how many places? Yes, 3 places, and so on. Okay, so I am taking example, you see carefully. 2.4348 multiply how many? By 1000. Okay, so this is the rule on multiplying a decimal. Multiplying decimal by 1000, the decimal point, this decimal point is shifted to the right side by 3 places. 3 places, 1 2 3. It means 2434.8. I am taking one more example. 4.2789 multiply by 1000. So dear student, you see carefully. This decimal point is shifted to the right by 3 places. 1 2 3. 3 places we will put the decimal here. Okay, so I am writing number first. 2728.9. Last one I am taking example, you see carefully. 1.48349 multiply 1000. Okay, so you see, after this decimal point is shifted to the right side by 3 places. 1 2 3 means after 3 we will put the decimal. Okay, 1483.49. this is our answer. I hope you understood.